once you have those graphic designs or those sketches, I usually compile them together in a product spec document, which is essentially breaks down into these different sections. I usually build it in like Google Sheets. I usually put the elevator pitch for the product at the very start, just to understand like what it is the business is trying to do. Explain why you're building the MVP that you're building. What are you hoping to learn after you've released this product? Specify which platforms you're trying to use here. Is it supposed to work on iOS, or is it a web-based app? Is it supposed to work on a desktop computer or mobile specific? Any user notifications that go in there, and then really just give each screen its own slide and explain what's going on that screen to the developer. So this is kind of the holy grail of your product, and this is the guide that the developer is going to use to feel like they really understand what it is you're trying to build, and that what they deliver is going to match your expectations. So they love this.